In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the built-in translation feature in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a great way to adapt your presentation for international audiences or quickly convert text into another language without leaving your slides. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can either load an existing presentation or create a new one, whichever suits your needs today. Once your file is open, navigate to the slide that has the text you want to translate. Click and drag to highlight exactly the words or paragraph you want converted. Selecting only the relevant text helps ensure you translate just what you need, not the entire slide by accident. Next, head to the top of the PowerPoint window and click the Review tab in the ribbon. This area houses tools for proofreading, language, and collaboration. Look for the Translate option and select it. When you do, a translation pane will open on the right side of your screen, giving you a dedicated space to manage your translation without covering your slide. In the translation pane, you'll see a list of languages available. Choose the language you want to translate into. PowerPoint will process the selected text and generate a translation almost instantly. This is especially helpful when you're working on tight deadlines or don't want to switch between apps and browsers. When the translation appears, review it for accuracy and tone. Machine translation is fast and convenient, but it's always a good idea to make sure specialized terms, names, and acronyms are handled correctly. If everything looks good, click Insert. PowerPoint will replace your original highlighted text with the translated version in the slide. If you change your mind or want to adjust wording, remember that you can use Undo to revert and try again. This built-in feature makes it simple to add multiple languages to your presentation and keep your workflow in one place. It can also help you maintain consistent formatting since the translation is inserted directly into your slide layout. Just keep an eye on line breaks and text boxes, as translated text can be longer or shorter than the original, and you might want to resize the box for a clean look. And that's it. You've just translated text directly in Microsoft PowerPoint in a few straightforward steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.